Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today, now we are going to do some exercises. First of all, the in-text questions. In your book, if you have a book with you, NCERT book with you, you can see these questions in the chapter, in between the chapter. Chapter 5, Fundamental Units of Life, you can see these questions. Can you name the two cell organelles you have studied that contain their own genetic material? Their own genetic material means their own DNA. If the next question number 2, if the organization of a cell is destroyed due to some physical or chemical influence, what will happen? Like this, there are the question answers given. You write it down in your copy. You write all the question answers in your copy. It is must. And now the second page contain, this was the first page, yes, sorry, this was the first page. The first page contain 4 questions and the next page contain, make a comparison and write down ways in which plant cells are different from animal cell. Write the differences between plant cell and animal cell. You have already learned in class 8 and know what are the differences between plant cell and animal cell. Here one more point is there, centrosomes. See the point 4. In point 4, centrosomes is present. Centrosome, this is centrosome. Centrosome is present only in the cell of some lower plants, not present in all plants, but all animal cells have centrosomes. All animal cells have centrosome. Lysosome are found only in the eukaryotic plant cell, not in prokaryotic. Lysosomes are found in all animal cells. Plant cell contain plastid and plastids are absent. These are you have learned. Another point is mostly starch is the storage material in plant cell, but glycogen is the storage material in animal cell. These are the differences between plant cell and animal cell. Write it down in tabular form only, just like given in the table. Then in this page contain 2 questions. What would happen if the plasma membrane ruptures or break down? Next, what would happen to the life of a cell if there was no Golgi apparatus? So write it down in your copy. Next, which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Why? Where do the lipids and proteins constituting the cell membrane get synthesized? How does an amoeba obtain its food? What is osmosis? I think some answers you have already done. You check it down. The answers you have already written, you go through the answers once. It is correct or not, then you do it. So this is your question answer page. It is completed here. Chapter 5, Fundamental Unit of Life is completed here. So all the best. Write it down and learn. Okay, thank you.